So I am Nasrana G. Malang from BSSW or Bachelor of Science in Social Work sa 2D po. So today I'm going to discuss po kung bakit or I'm going to explain to you kung bakit po pinili ko yung To My Muse na poem ni Dr. Jose Rizal as a representation po para sa activity po namin sa inyo. And also explain ko rin po kung bakit ganito po yung background na pinili ko. So without further ado, let's start po sa poem po muna yung uunahin ko kung ano yung meaning po nun. So the poem To My Muse of Dr. Rizal is about his frustration and sadness as a poet and writer. So he feels that poetry, which once inspired people, is no longer appreciated. So sabi niya yan, instead of using poetry to express their emotions and ideas, people now focus on more practical things, like simply asking why their coffee is late. So kumbaga nawawalan na ng para sa kanya wala na tayong nawawala na ng panahon yung tao para magbigay ng time sa ganun nga sa mga poetry and sa paggawa ng mga bagay na pwede makatulong sa karamihan. So Rizal talks about how he can no longer write just for love or beauty. So he now has to write serious things like fighting for truth, justice, and the freedom of his country. So para sa kanya more on serious writing na yung nagagawa niya, because kung hindi siya kikilos, sino pa yung kikilos para sa bansa natin? Sino pa yung sino pa yung gagawa ng paraan para para hindi mapag-iwanan ang ating bansa. So sinabi rin niya that instead of using a soft musical pen, he must use a pen of steel, meaning he has to write harsh and strong words to make a difference. Then he also expresses his deep sadness because the people he loved, like his friends and family, have either died, got married, or iniiwan siya. So he feels alone in his struggles. That's why sinulat niya tong To My Muse. So marami siyang dahilan kung bakit niya sinulat. Then he also talks about his homeland, the Philippines, our country, which does not reward artists and thinkers. Instead of giving them honor and respect, like symbolized roles, the country gives them chains and prisons. So kumbaga po ang nangyayari, imbis na bigyang halaga yung mga tao na nagbibigay ng pahalaga or gumagawa ng mga bagay na pwedeng makakapagpakilala sa ating bansa, is instead ang ginagawa nila is pinaparusahan nila sila. Parang kumbaga ang nangyayari, despite of doing good for our country, is yung balik sa kanila is triple pero bad way. So ganun siya. So ang nangyayari doon, it's like a reference to how the Spanish colonial government punished those who spoke against them, including Rizal himself. Kasi nga, di ba, nung time na yon is napapunish yung mga artists like ni Dr. Rizal na gumagawa ng mga works para sa ating bansa, kasi nga ayaw nila na makilala yung bansa natin, ayaw nila masapawan, kasi yun na yung time na sinasakop or nasa kalagitnaan tayo ng pagsakop ng mga Espanyol. So that's why sinulat niya to, kasi nga may mga Pilipino na parang wala lang sa kanila yung nangyayari, like uh, parang normal things na lang sa kanila, no, na hindi sila nababatter, like ni Dr. Sarsal na gumawa siya ng paraan para ipaglaban ng ating bansa, and yun. So sa huli nung pong sinabi niya, no, that yung inspiration niya sa pagsulat ng To My Muse is yung muse niya talaga mismo na iniwan siya. But before niya sinabi yon or nag-proceed doon, nagtanong siya or sinabi niya na can I still write something to help the weak and fight against injustice? So kumbaga ang pinapahiwatig doon is that kahit ang lungkot na ni Dr. Sarsal that time is nagagawa niya pa rin na ipaglaban ang kapwa niya, no, that it shows that even though despite of despite of the challenges na dumarating sa kanya, gusto niya pa rin, no, na lumaban para sa mga Pilipino. Yung nga, kahit nga na-feel niya na malungkot siya, nagagawa niya pa rin, no, na tumulong sa sambayan ng Pilipino. So ganun po siya. So in short, no, yung poem ni Dr. Sarsal na To My Muse is Rizal's transformation. So from a poet who loved art and beauty to a writer who had to fight for freedom, even if it meant sacrifice and suffering. So ganun po siya. So now, no, I would like to explain naman, no, the background that I chose for my artwork, which it represents, no, the which represents Rizal's emotions and message sa poem na To My Muse. So in my drawing, no, naglagay ako ng lalaki under the tree, which represents Rizal sitting under the tree with his books. So pinapahiwatig ko doon, no, that yung loneliness and sadness na nafe-feel ni Dr. Sarsal. And the tree, it is a reflection and solitude, showing pinapakita ito kung paano si Dr. Sarsal na na-feel niya yung loneliness and confusedness, and yung burden na nafe-feel niya that time. So yung books na nasa tabi niya is I want to highlight his the reason why, no, kung bakit naglagay ko dyan is that I want to highlight his identity as a writer and thinker, that reminds us that his words were his greatest tool in fighting for justice. So yun po siya, ito siya. So naglagay din ako noon ng sad expression sa tabi ni Dr. Sarsal to reflect his inner struggle. So in the poem, he talks about losing the people he loved and feeling distant from those around him. So my drawing shows this by portraying Rizal deep in thought, unsure of what to do next as he faces yung mga difficulties ng realidad ng bansa, no. So in addition, I include din a group of people and the Philippine flag, and also nilagay ko din, no, yung mga words or um, naglagay din ako no ng Philippines na words. So, yung ano nun, ang reason kung bakit nilagay ko dun is I want to emphasize no, the poem's message. So, the girl may represents results lost love, loved ones, or the youth he wants hope to inspire.